Hello, everyone. It is dinner time. It is dinner time. Right now, it is 6:30 p.m. Right now, it is 6:30 p.m. I am hungry. I am hungry. What should I eat for dinner today? First, I think about pizza. The pizza looks good. Do I want pizza? Next, I think about chicken. I think about chicken. The chicken looks good. Do I want chicken? Next, I think about pasta. Pasta. The pasta looks good. The pasta looks very good. Do I want pasta? I think about soup. The soup looks good. Do I want to eat soup? I think again. Do I want pizza? Do I want chicken? Do I want pasta? Or do I want soup? What do I want to eat for dinner? I think I want pasta. I think I want to eat pasta for dinner. The pasta looks very good. I think I will eat pasta for dinner. Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching. That's all for now.